Hi beautiful, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a quick video on the topic of when to have a herbal bath or spiritual bath. And if you don't know what that is, I have a whole other video detailing it from start to finish, which I will link in the cards for you, so go and check that out. But I got a lot of questions on that video, and one of the most common ones was when to have a herbal bath. So that's what I'm going to touch on today. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So in terms of when to have a herbal bath, there is really no set time of day that you need to do it. Any time is fine. I personally choose to do mine in the evenings just because it's dark outside, and then I can turn off the bathroom light, light a candle, and really set the ambiance, and it's more intimate and romantic and special, you know. But you can do it any time of day. I would definitely advise to do it at a time when your house is going to be quiet and peaceful. The more important thing is to not exceed a maximum of 4 times a month or once a week, just because these baths are really strong and potent. They're full of salt and herbs, and you don't want to be irritating your skin or anything like that. So no more than 4 times a month. And I would say the best time to do it is on a new or a full moon, to prepare yourself for your moon ritual. And I have a whole other video talking all about that, which I will link in the cards for you, so go and check that out. Another great time to have a herbal bath is when you're feeling particularly stressed or anxious. These baths are very cleansing and very relaxing. So if you feel one day that you need some extra energetic cleansing or some extra physical cleansing, maybe if you've been ill and you want to kind of detox anything left over out of you. Another great time to have a herbal bath is after sexual intercourse, to again detox and purify your body. Make sure you're clearing away any residue energy. I definitely recommend having a herbal bath anytime you're going to do any kind of work with spirit or ritual, anything spiritual, because again it cleanses your energy and it kind of just resets you and puts you in the zone. And just whenever you feel like you want an extra dose of self-love and self-care, you know, when you come out of these baths you feel so refreshed and like you're wrapped in this bubble of self-love. It's a truly amazing feeling. That's why I don't stop talking about them. If you just want to feel good, you know, these are a great way to take care of yourself and make yourself feel wonderful. The most important thing to remember is not to exceed 4 times a month, and the most powerful times to do it would be on a new moon and a full moon. I hope that helps, and until the next one, I wish you health, wealth and high vibrations.